It's Tin again, and welcome to the last step of our tutorial. We have to make them look pretty like this, and we done. Alright, let's roll. See, first step, because we take a look at the so over here we have the footer. Building something. See, so we have to go to, let's see, the side, put it there, because the side say we have the footer right here. So if we want to put the footer, we have to go to the JSP file. For example, for the store index page, see, we have to put the footer. We don't have to do anything, just put a div and the ID of the footer, and we put the name built-in Spring 3.0 MVC. That's okay, and we can copy this one and go to the next site, say store manager page, and put the footer in the same. I'll show you the same. Alright, they're the same. So we have to put the footer inside every single page over here. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, okay, the number of the items inside the current cart. This one, that's what I'm talking about, because we have to show how many items inside our cart to let the users know that how many cards they have. So it's over here. Alright, so and what should we do? We have to copy this line, and remember, okay, model dot put item numbers, and we get the shopping cart model and get the numbers albums inside the cart, as we did for the last tutorial. Inside the controllers, for example, inside the shopping cart controllers, okay, we have to put this line, copy this line, put the item numbers in. So after we have the item numbers, shopping cart post, okay, login page, do you have it? Okay, over here. See, so I mean that for the controllers, all the controllers with dealing with those JSP file, we should put this line in inside the method at the controllers, and go to any page, and inside the LI, okay, so we put this line, okay, because we get the variable have to put this variable inside over here. Let's say, alright, so see the card. Okay, card, and open parentheses and the numbers the item inside the card and close. So we have to do like this: card, open, and put the variables in and close it. So we will have it. We do with the orders is exactly the same. Okay, for this page we don't have. So we will do it in this list: index, store index. Index is this one is the home page. Store index, browse, details, shopping cart, checkout page. 6 pages. So we have to do exactly the same steps. First of all, looking for the controllers, which one we use to control that pages, and push the line. Okay, this line. Alright, and after that go to the page, put one more line, item list inside that one. Alright, so we have let's see, index. Alright, so we will have the third one inside the navigator. Okay, third one we have to do the sidebar. What sidebar I'm talking about? This sidebar. Alright, instead of we put the list of January, right? We don't do it anymore. We put the list of January on the left, and we call it, that one is the sidebar. And fortunately, inside the site.css we have something we call the sidebar navigation, and this one we use to list the sidebar. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is inside the controllers. What controller I'm talking about is the controller for these 4 pages: store index, browse, details, and checkout. Those pages we need the sidebar. Alright, so go to that one and we put out the January list. The list is January, right? So we have to create a list file of January and put that list into the view, the JSP page. I mean that the view. So after that we can use them. Alright, so it means we have to go to 4 methods and put this line in, and what page we should have: store index, browse, and details. Alright, browse, for example, good. And next step, we go to the browse and put this div. Alright, this is div. I want you put into 4 JSP files. Alright, for each and the list, and we list the list of January. That's it. Is for example details, same thing. Categories. Alright, this div, see, same. Alright, maybe the li, we don't need the li because we don't have anything with the li. Alright, so this one done. Alright, here, this is what I'm talking about. Go to for methods, the one work with this one, 4 pages, and put 2 lines over here. In the case that those controllers need the model, I believe you guys can. I believe you guys know how to order Y or call the services. Okay, the last one, we have to create a new login. The new home page. It's easy. Copy the index page, put inside the JSP folder. So we have the new index. Okay, and go to the index page and work with it. Okay, create a new JSP inside the JSP folder. Okay, we're done. And create a new method inside the user controllers. User controller. You go to user controllers. I use this one because I don't have any map, so I can work with the root folder. Alright, this is the root folder. Alright, and this is the new method I put it in. That easy. I just want to find the list of gender list over here. Okay, why? Because I want the sidebar. That's it. And I put the this one in because I want the numbers of items inside the back, the card. That's it. I just want to map the index page here. Return the index. I just want to map that one because I need the list of January and the numbers of items inside the card, and that's it. Okay, what else we need? Okay, because we add the let me see what happened. Not controller index. Right, as I told you guys, I use the user controllers because we're working at the root folder. So this means go over here. That this one we call the root folder for Spring 2. Alright, so what go to the index. This one we display the sidebar, right? But when we click into the link, we cannot go anywhere because at the root we can not browse it because inside the store controllers we map that one store controller we mapped for the store, so we are not the same level when we click on the browse. As you can see, because the browse inside the store, right? See, also details, browse, details, see, and browse. Alright, browse under the store. So when we click, we cannot go over there, so we have to create a new path. It's not a new path, but we add the we change to this. Oh no, we change to store and slash. Okay, so this means we go to the next level and we browse the January. That's all. Okay, and oh, that one is for the index page. Alright, and for the add the div inside of each loop, okay, I guess is browse JSP file. Alright, you see over here, this is a home page. When we click on into the side page, the sidebars over here, the link, it will go the list. It will list the list of the items. For previous, we see that's just a list of text. Right now we have the pictures of the album and the link go to the details of the album. So it means we have to change only the browse here, browse page. The details are okay because we have this one already in the, inside the detail page. We just change inside the browse page. So open the browse.jsp and change this. Alright, for each we have already, we just put we use the for loop over here, we have already, and we just put one more thing over here. This is the image tab to insert the image placeholder.git. Alright, so it means every single type album have each art. Alright, and one more thing is I create a div right here because I wanted about the link. See, the link, I want about the link and the art pictures over here. Each of them have its own div. Alright, and they have a space too because I want to separate them. Alright, and I want it float to the left. Okay, so take a look at the div. I just changed the div over here. So alright, it seems like we changed everything already. Let's see how this works. Alright, Go to home. Alright, ta-da, home page, footer. Alright, alright, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys the image. Here, this one. I insert this picture is by using the image tab. Alright, the footer, sidebar, side, category is there. Alright, this is sidebar, and this is the header. Alright, so we cool, huh? We cool. Okay, and take a look at the rock. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. I want they separate web browse. I want them separate with the width is 150 pixel. Alright, so they spread out. Oh, maybe because this one hit this one drop down. Okay, so when we change the size of the windows, it's floating. See, you still see them. Middle, okay, see. Okay, right now is look exactly the same. Whatever we want to have like this. Okay, so now we take a look at back to the tutorial line. We have this page. Alright, we just did. Okay, and browse page, detail page, cart page. Okay, go to the cart page. Add to the cart. Okay, we have browse page. And login page is say check out login register. Okay, we have register page. Okay, register page and complete page. Go to complete page. Okay, we have the account, right? Today test and password is today test. Login. Alright, we have this page. Okay, and alright, okay, and we have the manager page too. Spring account manager, store manager. Okay, alright, store manager page, create new. Alright, back to the list. I didn't do these stores over here because this one belongs to the manager, so we don't need the cart number. Edit. Alright, go back to the list, details. Alright, back to the list. See, I changed the footers over here already. Back to the list, delete. Alright. Okay, we have list. Okay, footer, the footer too. Okay, it's home. Go to home. It's we are done. Oh, not yet. For the home index, for the home, because before we delete this one, we don't have this one. because we work with the this page, index page, but right now we want to work with this index page, so we have to put one more spring and slash over here, and hopefully you guys go to all these JSP file and change the link of the home link at the headers over here, change it, and we should done everything. Say just go and go to home. Okay, go back to home. Alright, it seems we are done with this tutorial. Thank you guys for following me from the episode 1 until now. Okay, hopefully you guys love it. Thank you very much. See ya.